Okay, so this is just going to be a short unboxing video of the Big Boss 2 ProPak reloading kit. Just got it here. Gonna try my hand at reloading and save myself a little bit of money, hopefully. This is gonna be the future reloading bench, old clinical table that I got in surplus here, and some hogged and little gun, and 22 Hornet dies and 270 Winchester short mag dies to get started. So we'll see what we can figure out here today. Comes with a couple reloading manuals, a Hogden, and a basic IMR one, looks like. Got your Big Boss press, powder trickler, what do you want, our case lube, mat, funnel, case lube. Assuming this is a scale. Looks like your scale's in there and your tray. Not bad. What do we got here? Deburring tool, etc. $560 Canadian for this kit. I think I did okay. From what I read, the reviews on the Big Boss are very good. Redding makes a really good press, so we're gonna see what we can do with this thing. Stay tuned.